I'm here with a long video. I'm gonna make Maggie right now. Like, I won't say that I don't eat like this skippy. I don't just like this. It's time for skincare. I'm really new to a lot of skincare that I'm gonna do right now. मतलब बहुत कुछ मैं पहले से करती हूँ and with lot of things I am new. So इसलिए मैं search कर रही हूँ skincare steps. So the things that I'm gonna do is cleanser, toner, serum, eye cream, moisturizer. So basically, if you want a life update, then my life is so hectic right now. I have my exam and वो भी on the day of my brother's reception. मतलब wedding भी मैं अच्छे से enjoy नहीं कर पाऊँगी and I don't know what's gonna happen. And ये exam ऐसा exam है कि मैं miss नहीं कर सकती हूँ. So this is very hectic and content creation को लेके भी pressure है because brand shoots like for a couple of days. Oh. It's quite hectic for me to manage everything all together. I don't know how I'm doing all this stuff alone. I was never this responsible. Eye cream, I'm just using it for the second time. Let's see if I'm getting any changes or not. I have to like declutter everything क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे parcels भर गए. Basket to store everything क्योंकि I don't have an aesthetic basket right now, so I have to manage with this one only. When Audio was this small, I used to carry him in this basket, so yeah. इसमें भी काफ़ी कुछ है. This particular day, I mean the next day, I wore this pretty kurti and got ready for my brother's registry marriage. Last night I was extremely tired. I just studied and I didn't shoot anything. In the morning I just get up and check for some emails and updates. And some days I keep on scrolling and lose all my energy to work. And the thing that I realized is the start of the day is how you are gonna spend the whole day. In the morning I had to upload one video, so I was just working on that. My silver play button is on the way and I'm so much excited. In the morning I was surprised by the call of my silver play button. I never imagined I'd be holding this, the YouTube silver play button. This was never on my list, never something I thought would happen so soon, but here it is and it's all because of you. I have never thought of receiving a silver play button in my wildest dream because I've never thought of it. I've never thought that I would come so far. Each and everyone's love has brought us to this milestone, and I'm honestly overwhelmed with gratitude. To all the people, thank you from the bottom of my heart for being the part of this journey. I began with 0 views, 0 subscribers, and today this. I don't know if this is looking good there or not, but for now let's just skip it here because I have no other option. I've tried to place it there, but it's not looking good there. And वहाँ तो अजीब ही हो जाएगा, so it's okay here right now. It's 10:22 p.m. right now and I just took a shower because I love taking shower at night. I have a lot of things to do right now, like I have to write scripts, I have to study. After doing the skincare and stuff, I have to straight get into the work, like write the scripts because I have to send it to the brand and I'm doing the skincare and all this stuff because of my brother's wedding. देखते हैं मुंह कितना चमकता है भैया के शादी के टाइम पे. अगर नहीं चमका, I'll personally mail all these brands that I'm using. Like both the things are important, and if you say studies are more important than शादी वादी, for me both the things are important क्योंकि भैया के बाद इसके बाद मेरे घर में कोई शादी नहीं है. Next. simple and elegant. You know, right now I'm so much confused, like not confused, but so much stressed because I have my exam, which is a very, very, very important exam on the day of my brother's wedding, like reception, whatever. I cannot prepare properly for the wedding. Prepare means doing stuff that's very necessary for the wedding. And also, if I talk about studies, it's getting so hectic because people are coming. It's talking about wedding and stuff. Also, मेरे पूरे घर में color चल रहा है अभी भी. So it's so hectic. And now I have two or three videos left to submit to the brand. I feel like I have to cancel at least one or two. With a cup of tea as usual. I love this cup. There's another one there. Anyways, so yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed. So thank you. Bye.